Okay, for math workshop today, you're going to be working out of your math packet, your review packet. And because of Earth Day, we did not finish Unit 3, or Unit 2, I believe. So, Unit 2. So what we're going to want to do is we want to turn to this page with coins. Okay, so we left off here for Unit 2. And you made double stacks. So now we want to go here with the coins. So the first question says, write all the combinations of 10. Include the turnaround facts. So the easiest way to start this would be with starting with the numbers 0. Okay, so 0 plus 10 equals 10. And the turnaround fact would be 10 would get to go first. So 10 plus 0 equals 10. 1 plus 9 equals 10. And 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we're at 0, 1, so we're going to go 2. Do you guys see the pattern here? So 10, 9. What do you think is going to go here? If you said 8, that's correct. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. Same thing would be, turn around would be 8 plus 2. 0, 1, 2. So what number do you think would go here? 3. That's right. So 3 plus 10, 9, 8, 7. Turnaround fact would be 7 plus 3. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right? And then we have 4. And the turnaround fact would be, or I'm sorry, not turnaround fact, but the next number, 4 plus 6 is 10. Turnaround fact would be 6 plus 4. And then they have 1 down here. So what do you think would go here? So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so 5 plus 5 is 10. So they don't really have a turnaround fact because it's actually a doubles fact. Okay? Good job. Now let's figure out how much money is here. So we're going to Smart Math's gonna tell us to identify the coins first. So we have a $quarter. You can see it if you look closely on this paper. You can actually read the coins, look for clues. It says $quarter. I'm gonna go back out. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. I'm gonna put it off to the side. This quarter is worth 25 cents. Then we have 1 dime. It shows it right there. A dime's worth 10 cents. And then these coins are the same size, okay? So it says Liberty on them. That's another clue. So this is gonna be a dime and a dime. And then we have In God We Trust, Liberty. So this one, like this president has a ponytail. So look for clues that you can identify. This is a nickel, it's worth 5. And then we have 4 pennies. There's Abraham Lincoln on the pennies. So those are all worth 1. Now we can add them up. So 25 plus 25 is half of a full dollar. So 25 plus 25 is 50. Count by tens, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Oops, I wrote that backwards. I had a backwards moment. 89 cents. Okay? All righty. Turn the page. And we're going to start Unit 3 today. We're not going to finish Unit 3. We're just going to do this page. So make sure that you put your name on the top. And let's get started. We're still working on fact families, but we're doing more fact strategies. So write the fact family. Remember, the 13 is at the top. So it has a dot. That's your clue. So you can add 6 plus 7 to equal 13, or you can go from top to bottom and subtract, right? So let's start down here. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. Okay. And then we have 7 plus 6 is 13. So we can do the turnaround fact. Now, we don't want to do 6 minus 7 is 13 because that's not a true statement. So we can do 13 minus 6, and that equals 7. Or we can go this way, 13 minus 7 equals 6. Okay, so there's your fact family triangles. Harper is playing Salute. The dealer says 14. Her partner has a 6 on his forehead. What number does Harper have? Okay, so we have to do 6 plus something equals 14. Okay, so what card would Harper have? So there's two ways. We can go 14 and we can count down. That's one strategy, right? Or we can start at 6 and we can count up to 14. So I know a lot of us do it differently. I like to count up. So I would put 6 in my head and I would hold it there and I would count up 6 and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers am I holding up? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. It says, how do you know? Explain your thinking. Well, you could say the dealer has 14. Her partner has 6 on her head. So what number does Harper have to have? You could say 14. You could say, I know that 14 minus 6 equals 8. So, comma, Harper has to have the number, I'm going to squeeze this in, the number 8 if her partner has 6. You could say 6 plus 8 equals 14. Okay? All right. Oscar is playing Subtraction Top It. Now, these are some games we haven't necessarily played at school, but we can figure it out with the context clues of the questions that are asking. It says he takes a 15 and an 8. Write the subtraction fact. All right, so if he's playing Top It, he pulled 2 cards. The biggest number is going to go first, so we have to write a number sentence. So 15 minus 8 is, again, you can start with 15 and you can count down 8, or you can do the turnaround fact and you can do 8 plus something to get 15. So I'm going to count up. I'm going to start with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. Or 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, solve 16 minus 9. Okay, so I can say, let's go down since I've been counting up. So if you're someone that likes to go down, everyone hold 16 in your head like we do in class. So put your fist on your forehead, think 16, and then you're going to count backwards by 9. So hold 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, and then we have 11 minus 4. So hold 11 in your head. 11, count down backwards 4. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Look at all those ways to make 7. Explain how you solved one of the facts above. Okay, so you can pick any one you want, but we could say, like if we were to do B, you could say, I started with 11 and I counted backwards by 4. 11 minus 4 equals 7. Okay, you can pick a different problem if you would like. Okay, double check your work. Remember, you can always rewind this video and watch it all over again. You can pause it when I'm talking, okay? If I'm going too fast, I record them quickly, but that doesn't mean that you still can't stop them, rewatch them, or pause them, all right? Okay, good job. Go ahead and take a picture of both of those pages. Make sure you turn them into Seesaw and then click Next to move on to the next thing for today.